Hi everyone, hope you're all well and coping with this lockdown. I call it the final lockdown. Sounds a bit like a song, doesn't it? The final lockdown. Sorry about that, I couldn't resist it. Don't worry, I won't give up my day job. Actually, at the moment, I haven't got a day job. That's what I'm going to talk about today, is the emergency driving test for critical workers. Now, the word critical, that is the $1 million question. Now, on the last lockdown, some instructors were able to work with NHS workers, delivery drivers, security, teachers, and a number of things. They were quite flexible. But this time around, it's a no-no. Until recently, the DVSA have announced that driving tests can take place for critical workers only. Now, you can only get an emergency driving test if you're a critical worker, that's England and Wales only, and you work for the following: the NHS, the health or social care, the emergency services, the local council, and you must have the strict criteria. You need to drive as part of your job, respond to threats to life as part of your job, so that's quite critical. And how to get a test: you have to be eligible, and you will need your employer to book the test for you. So you can't go out for driving lessons until you've actually got the test physically booked. And ideally, it'd be good to have proof of that, just in case you're stopped by the police. But that's good news for critical workers. Now, I would love to go out and teach. So any critical workers out there who are in my area, check me out. I'd love to help you get through your driving tests. But on a positive note, I don't think that it's going to be that long before we start to get back to some normality. I'm hoping March, at the latest Easter. Now, with the vaccine, that's great news. Now, I know some don't agree, but my way of thinking is, if we want to get back to some normality and back to teaching and back to work, I think that the vaccine is our only hope. Now, please, if you don't agree with the government, fair dues, but please think about the scientists and the doctors. They know what they're talking about. And please, I would advise taking the vaccine. But again, that's a personal choice. But I'd do anything to get back to work and some normality. But anyway, look forward to seeing most of you back on the road in March, if not April. Be positive, keep your chin up. If you haven't applied for your provisional licence yet, please do it as soon as possible, because this won't be here forever. And driving tests, and prepare for your theory. In the meantime, stay safe, chin up, and I'll see you on the road very soon. As I said, if you're a critical worker, drop me a line. I'd love to go out and teach you to drive and set your goal and pass your test. Stay safe, everyone, and see you in the next vid.